What's going on, guys? It's Eddie with DIY Basics. I figured before I tear this little patch job I did on one of my last videos and toss it out, I would take advantage of it and go ahead and make a video on how to apply a knockdown finish to it. So this is what I like to use. It's a wall texture knockdown bottle from Home Depot. Basically, it's pretty straightforward. It has an adjustment here. You want to shake it vigorously for about a minute or so, and then this has an adjustment here that you can dial back and forth. All the way to the left is usually the heavier coats. So you give it a good shake. There's not a whole lot you can do wrong with it other than whether you want your knockdown pattern to be small or wide or have big gaps in it or not. So I just usually like to spray it in somewhat of like a circular motion like this, and you'll see the globs on the wall. Then the way we finish it is, once the moisture starts to dry and get sucked out of the actual texture, then we use a knockdown knife. And basically what you do is you just put it on it very lightly and you just drag it. And what you're doing is, in essence, exactly what it's called. You're knocking down the heights that you create by spraying it. And that leaves you with that knockdown finish. So it's pretty straightforward. Let's see if this can is still any good. It's been sitting around for a long time. I figured I'd use it and try to get a video out of it, but let's see how it sprays and we'll take it from there. Oh yeah, that's good. See? See? So you want to just spray just like that. All right? Let's add a little bit more to it. Make it a little heavier. Just circular. Just little blotches is what you're looking for. See it? Just little blotches. That's it. You can make it thicker in some areas if you like. So when we knock it down, it'll leave like a bigger finish on there. All right, this bottle looks like it's a little defective. I'm glad we were able to get something on the wall so I can demonstrate the proper technique. So now, as you see, it's very wet. It's going to dry in about, I would say, I think the bottle says anywhere from like 4 to 8 minutes. And then you're gonna see how the moisture gets sucked out of it, and then we'll just drag it and I'll show you what the finish looks like. All right, guys, so here we are. I think I let it dry enough. Like I said, I like to use the knockdown knife, and basically we're just gonna put it on there. We're just gonna move it, kind of creating a knockdown effect. All right, so you basically just lay it on top and just drag it. Very minimal pressure. I may have let some of it, I did 2 coats and some of it dried more than others, but the idea is you're knocking it down just as you see here, okay? Like I said, I sprayed 2 because that bottle was defective, so some of the stuff dried prematurely underneath it, but ideally you want to put it on one time and let it dry as one application, and then when you knock it down, you'll see, you can see the knockdown finish. Okay, just come across it nice and light. It's pretty straightforward. See that? And there is no right or wrong as far as the pattern. It's gonna just do its own thing. As you can see, the pattern is it varies. So yeah, that's pretty much it there. All right, guys.